Outdoor environments are becoming increasingly overwhelming, from flies and mosquitoes to nuisance birds and the intense noise pollution created by cicadas. These everyday disruptions are ruining our ability to enjoy the outdoors. Introducing the PestPulsar family, next-generation handheld devices designed to quiet your surroundings and disperse flying pests without the need for chemicals or sprays. Built on our patented signal-based technology, we've created two targeted devices. The PestPulsar Wand, engineered to disperse flies, mosquitoes, flying insects, and even nuisance birds. And the Cicada Wand, designed specifically to silence cicadas and restore peace in high-noise environments. Both devices use our patent-protected signal output that safely interferes with pest behavior. No chemicals, no odors, no toxic sprays. The PestPulsar Wand is ideal for global use. Whether you're in your garden, on your patio, camping, picnicking, golfing, or simply relaxing outdoors, it removes the need for expensive sprays and sticky creams by pushing flying pests away from your space. The Cicada Wand is perfect for any region affected by intense cicada noise. It instantly silences their overwhelming sound, making outdoor relaxation possible again at home or in hospitality environments. Whether it's flying pests ruining your evenings or cicadas overpowering your environment, we've built a solution that restores peace and control. Every device arrives in its own premium hard-shell protective case, designed to reflect the quality of the engineering inside. Built to last. Designed for everyday use worldwide. We've already done the hard work. Innovated, developed, created the tooling, and completed full manufacturing. This isn't just an idea or a concept. PestPulsar is fully built, fully tested, and ready for sale. We've already field-tested 500 production units in real outdoor environments to validate the technology. Please back our campaign today. Choose the PestPulsar Wand, the Cicada Wand, or a bundle, with wholesale options also available. Be among the first in the world to experience the power of precision pest control. Support the project now and help us bring this innovative technology to the world.